Creating Open Source Sustainability Solutions. One Community Weekly Progress Update, number 695.
One Community is a 501c3 nonprofit organization. We are creating open source and free shared blueprints and resources, tools and tutorials, and do-it-yourself instructions for highest good living. Creating solution models that create additional solution creating models in the service of all life on this planet. This includes highest good approaches to food, energy, housing, education, for-profit and non-profit business creation, society, and earth stewardship.
Hello and welcome back to another episode of One Community's Weekly Progress Update. This is our July 13th, 2026 edition. My name is Jay, and today's topic is creating open source sustainability solutions. You know, every topic we come up with every week is different. This is so spot on for what it is that we're doing. I'm amazed that we have done so many hundreds of these, and I've never done one on creating open source sustainability solutions, because this is really what One Community is doing. We are creating open source sustainability solutions for everything that you see happening in the background of this video and so much more. You can visit our website. It's broken down into all the different categories that we're focused on, which are the physical foundations of sustainability: food, energy, and housing. We have highest good food, highest good energy, highest good housing. We also have highest good society, which we like to call highest good approaches to fulfilled living and creating a culture of personal growth. We have highest good education, highest good economics, and what we call highest good for all, which is highest good stewardship. So each one of these categories has open source sustainability solutions that are implemented as the complete component. So all of highest good food, but also as all the components within highest good food, as an example, that are modular and able to be replicated on their own. So for instance, for highest good food, we have researched everything from recipes for foods that you can't buy in the grocery store because they don't keep very well, or they don't transport well. So all kinds of heirloom foods, how to grow food without the three common poisons that are sprayed on foods nowadays: pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides, for people that want the freshest, healthiest food possible. We've created the menus, like I said, and recipes for that. We've also done soil reclamation, how to have the highest quality soil so you have the most nutritious food. We've done everything from how to grow food for saving water and everything related to that, you know, animal husbandry and how to integrate animal systems into your food production systems. All of this, that's just highest good food. And each one of those areas is how to build your own chicken coop, for instance, or your own chicken tractor, or your own hoop houses. Each one of those elements can be integrated as its own individual component or as a complete model for highest good food. And then we've done the same thing for highest good energy, highest good housing, the social architectural and fulfilled living model, highest good education, economics, and the stewardship. But more importantly, our open source sustainability solution is to put all of these things together and build one community as a teacher demonstration community, growing to a village, growing to a city, and operating as an indefinite hub to teach other people how to create teacher demonstration communities, villages, cities, and hubs as well. Teaching all of these things and working as part of a global cooperative, a global collaborative, working together to create even more teacher demonstration communities, villages, and cities and hubs, creating even more open source sustainability solutions so that we can redefine the sustainability industry as an open source one. Why? Because that's the most sustainable approach. Open source, free sharing, cooperation, and collaboration instead of competition is the most sustainable approach. And if you want an example of this, look at what's going on in the world right now. We all see that humanity is facing these amazing challenges, and yet we have not been able to solve them, even though the resources exist to create a world of sustainable housing, growing food that's not sprayed with poison, running on completely renewable energy, addressing all the greatest challenges that humanity is facing right now, not just the physical infrastructure challenges, but also social injustice and inequality, also war, poverty, food insecurity, lack of quality education. All of these things we have solutions to today. We are capable of solving these. What's missing is an open source sustainability solution that addresses them all simultaneously in a replicable model designed to move humanity to a sustainable civilization within one generation. And so one community has taken it upon ourselves to become that. And we have become the #1 global sustainability systems organization in the world focused on this goal. Open sourcing sustainability solutions that take the physical foundations of sustainability, combine them with the emotional foundations of sustainability to create this powerful engine for change to move humanity to a sustainable civilization with easy to follow, free shared plans for every single one of these components, so it can be replicated as the complete teacher demonstration hub or as individual components. There's something there for everyone. And every person that implements any aspect of what it is that we're doing is moving humanity in the right direction. And our goal is to make it easy enough, the complete model, the complete teacher demonstration community, village, city, or hub, easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrate community living and creating these sustainable cooperatives and collaboratives as attractive enough so that the idea will spread on its own. So we can reach that tipping point of mainstream participation and involvement such that we can achieve the critical mass necessary to say that we have moved humanity into being a sustainable civilization. This is why we're creating open source sustainability solutions. We see a sustainable civilization within one generation as completely possible with a self-replicating model like this. One community of 50 people coming together, and our community will grow to 2,000 permanent residents and probably even more beyond that. But just 50 people coming together and inspiring 2 more communities to start the next year. And those 2 communities and the first original one, so those 3 communities working together inspire 4 more the year after that. And those 7 communities working together and demonstrating what it is they're doing inspire 8 after that, and then 16 more after that, and 32 after that, and 64 after that. Continuing this self-replicating process, because we've made it easy enough, affordable enough, and demonstrated attractive enough, could include the entire human population within 30 years. Is it going to? Of course not. Of course not. But all we need to do is reach that point of participation, sufficient participation, which is something like 3 or 4% of humanity, and we would achieve a sustainable, we're capable of achieving a sustainable civilization that would benefit all people in life on this planet. That's a pretty good deal. That's what we're up to. And we want to live this way, and we want anybody else that wants to live this way to be able to do this as well. And so we're bringing together people with shared values and interests with what it is that we're up to and wanting to do this to create that. Everybody is invited to participate. So if you'd like to help out, visit our helping page. It has all the different ways that you can help out, including donations, very much appreciated. Every dollar goes towards our open source creation process because we're a nonprofit organization, because we're a non-governmental organization, and we're all volunteer. Every dollar goes into forwarding our open source plans. If you'd like to help out, the easiest way, of course, like and subscribe. Visit us on social media. We are on all the different social media networks to make it as easy as possible for people to access our information, to be able to share our information. We're on LinkedIn, Twitter, Tumblr, Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, all of them, all the different social media networks to make it as easy as possible. If you'd like to see exactly what our all-volunteer team has accomplished within the last week, visit our written blog. If you'd like a weekly dose of positivity, including that blog and a link to this video in your inbox, like and subscribe through our website to our newsletter. And of course, if you'd like to visit and access all of our open source content, just explore our website. Like I said, we've broken it into all the different categories: food, energy, housing, society, education, economics, and then highest good for all stewardship. Each one of those categories then is broken into subcategories. Within each one of those subcategories are all the research that we've done, the results of over 2,000 volunteers and hundreds of thousands of hours of research. It's all there for you to access. It's all free shared. It's all meant to be able to be used and accessed without any interaction or help from us, just like a Wikipedia, only way, way more in depth. And as I said, we're creating this because we want to live this way, and we want anybody else who wants to live this way to be able to do so as well. So this is what One Community is up to. This is how we're creating open source sustainability solutions. This is how anybody can participate. And stick around for another couple minutes if you'd like to see bullet points and all the major components of our project. And until next week, we will, of course, keep on keeping on. Thanks for following our progress.
The One Community approach to highest good housing is eco-artistic home building that is affordable, sustainable, do-it-yourself duplicable, resource and space efficient, and consists of 7 different sustainably constructed village models. One Community is also creating an open-source duplicable city center. It is designed to be LEED Platinum certified, provide 12 guest rooms, dining for over 150 people, and laundry and recreation space for over 300 people, all while saving money, time, space, and resources. One Community's approach to highest good food is duplicable almost anywhere, scalable for different needs, more biodiverse and nutritious, part of forwarding a global open source botanical garden collaborative, and includes 9 different free shared and duplicable growing environments. One Community's approach to highest good education is designed for all age groups, adaptable to any schooling environment, inspiring and fun for all participants, includes national standards, all subjects, lesson plans, teaching strategies, learning strategies and tools, classroom design, and more. The One Community approach to highest good society is globally focused, individually enriching, cooperative and collaborative, includes a highest good network and application, 4 different economic models, and combines fulfilled living and true earth stewardship for the benefit of all people and all life on this planet.